Hello everybody, welcome back to Rough Shooters Outdoors. My name is Taylor Braden. This video is going to have footage from the first half of our trip to South Dakota on it. There was still some standing corn and we put on a lot of miles a few days and kind of got hen to death, but we still got some decent footage. The dogs had a blast. I had a blast wandering around public land, enjoying the scenery out there. You just can't ask for much better. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
On them up, where the birds? I can't believe we didn't kick anything out of there.
Interested in this.
Get it, Con.
Come on.
Where are those birds? Where are those birds? Want some water? On them up, come on. Rooster! Rooster, shoot! Rooster! Dead bird! Bird!
Good job.
Good job, Con. There we are. On the board. OP2. Where'd he go? Down them cattails? Hey, we're supposed to shoot the roosters, boys.
Yeah, you know what happens.
She's pretty certain now. Hen! I didn't hear any cack. Hen. Good girl, Opie. Good girl.
Good boy, Tom. Good job, Opie.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good trigger control, boys. Where they at? Go find them. Go find them. What are you smelling?
Yeah.
Good shots, dead bird. Dead bird.
No idea who fucking hit that one. I don't know. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Fetch him up.
Dead bird. Find it, Opes. Good boy, Dukers. Bring him here. Good boy, Dukers. Dukers, bring him here. Good boy. Good boy. Give. Dukers. Dukers. Give. Good boy. Give. Dukers. Give. Good boy. What the dude? Where is he? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come on. Where is he? Where's he at? Find that bird. Go get him. Hen. Good girl, Opes. Good girl. Get him. What is it? Find him. Say, he's tracking too. Where's he at?
There it goes. Rooster. There it goes. Rooster.
Dead bird!
Hey, bug. Bug here.
Another one! Another one! Another dead bird!
Bug here.
Good girl. Good puppies. 2 dead birds.
The second one might be in the water.
Yeah, I think it is. Let the dogs get in here first. Dead bird, fine. Dead bird, fine.
Hey, I think I got that one.
I don't know. I know.
Good. Good. Bird down.
Dead bird, find it. Dead bird, find it. Come on, Dukes. Dead bird, find it. Dead bird, find it. Dead bird, find it. Dead bird. Does Opie have one? Come here, come here, Opie. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dukers, dead bird in here. Dead bird in here, Opie. Where's he at? Find him. Dead bird, find him. Where's he at? Find him. Where is he? Find him. Dead bird. We got one? Dead bird, fine. In between us, I think. Oh, there's a pile of feathers right here. Is that 1 or 2? That's kind of cool. Nice shot.
Thanks, man.
What's left of him?
That's all right.
Good boy, Bogey. Good boy.
Hey, you want to throw it in the back?
Yep.
Bogey, bring it.
Here, hold this.
That's awesome that bogey went out. It was out in the water.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hen. Good girl, Opes. Good girl.
Oh, that snake. Nope, not doing that. Snake. I don't do snakes. What?
What kind of snake?
It was black. That though, I hate snakes.
We got to keep the dogs away.
You good?
Hen. Good girl, Opie. Good girl, Opes. Good girl. Good job, puppy. Good girl. I knew she was on something. Is there any more? Is there more of them? Good girl. Another hen. Good girl, Opie. That was tiny. I couldn't tell. Opie or Euchre was down there too. Where is he? Yeah, definitely. She's looking. Where is it? Get it. Find it. Where is he? Where'd it go? Super birdie. Where'd it go? Get it. Get it. Get it. Rooster! No way!
Walked right past it.
I got my gun up too late. Yeah, fetch him up, Euchre! Fetch him up, buddy! Good job, buddy! Good job! Come on, buddy! Come on! Come on, Euchre, bring him here! Come on, buddy! Come here! Come on, buddy! Euchre, come on! Come here! Bring him here! Come here! Come here, buddy! Come on, Dukers. Come on. Come on. Come on. Euchre, come. Euchre, come. Euchre, come. Give, give, give. Daddy's got him. Give, give. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy, Dukers. Good boy. GoPro, stop record.
Saw some action there for a little bit.
Opie's thinking that we're about to see some more. Get him, Opie. Where'd he go?
Come on, bud. Come on, hunt it up.
Get him.
Off my heel. Off my heel.
Get him. Where'd he go? Where is he? Where is he? Get him. Go get him. Get that bird. Rooster! Good puppies. Good puppies. How do we not hit that thing? Good puppies. Good puppies. Find some more. Find some more. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. How did we miss that thing? Find him. I was a ways away, but another one. Another one. Dead bird. Good girl, Opes. Dead bird. On him. That thing's crippled. Let the bird get in there first, or let the dog get in there first. Dead bird, Opie, find it. Dead bird. Dead bird, Opie. Dead bird, bring it here. Dead bird, Opes, bring him here. Dead bird. Where'd it go? You see where it went down?
No, I mean, it hit great. It might be running.
Dead bird, Opie, get it. Get on him, dead bird. Find him. Dead bird, find him. You guys didn't have a point where it was going down? Dead bird, where'd he go? Dead bird, find him. Dead bird, find him. Get on him. Dead bird. Dead bird, Opes, get on him.
Dead bird. Dead bird.
Get him. Get him. Dead bird, get him. Get him, dead bird. Get him. Get him, Opie. Get him. Dead bird, get him. Where's he at, Opie? Get him. Get him, Opie. Get him. Where's he at? Get him. Huh? Where's he at? Get him, Opie. Get him. Where's he at? Get him. Get him. I would think, yeah, like, I don't want to overshoot it, but Opie's been on a track here. That's why I haven't pulled her off. But it's kind of stay in the general area for sure. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna let her work this, and I think that's our only hope at this point. Where is he? Find him. Find him. Where is he? Find him. Find that bird. Woohoo! Wouldn't that be some shit if it landed on the bird? It'd be so cool. Where'd that bird go? Get him. Get him, Opie. Get him. Yeah, get him. Get him. Get that bird. Get him. Good girl. Get him. Get him. Good girl. Get him. Get him. Good girl. Good job. Bring him here. Good job. Bring him here. Good girl. Good job, puppy. This fucking dog. I love this goddamn dog. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good job, puppy. Good girl. Good girl. Good job.
He just got birdie. Fucking hen. Yeah. Jesus. I said he just got birdie. Oh, go for it. Start recording. Buck. 2 of them. Oh, we got a whole tubby of them up here.
No.
Sure, but it was low on the ground.
There we go.
Yeah. Go, boys.
And whoa, Opie, whoa, Opie, whoa.
And that's obviously what happened. What I saw was one of the last ones flying in down there.
Yeah. I just cut this way now. You can probably stay in the ditch if you want. I mean, this hasn't really been that hard to walk in, but
No, it hasn't been that awful.
Yeah, she spun and was looking. Get it. Rooster! Rooster! Nice! Dead bird, Opie! Dead bird! Bring it here! Good girl! Bring it here! Bring it here! Come on, girl! Get him! Bring him here! Good girl! Bring him here! Good job, puppy! Bring him to me! Now you'll pick him up because Dukers is coming. Bring him here! Don't let him run away! Good girl. Did you shoot?
Yep.
I don't know who hit him, but
I don't know who hit him. It was you and I both.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This trip was a blast. I'm really excited to get the second part of this video put out too. If you guys want to keep up on that, please hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.
Sitting and I'm sipping and I'm chilling and shit.